Yeah. Dev, you are from
Yeah,
which part of Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Jaipur. Is this the
Yeah,
first mock interview? Interview you are attending?
yeah. This is
Bank
the
inter
first.
First bank interview.
Yeah.
Very good. English means they will ask lot of questions
All
like
right.
famous authors you like, then about Shakespeare, then
Mm-hmm.
about Lord Macaulay, and then how your English skill will help us in our bank, and
Mm-hmm.
like this type of questions they will ask.
All right.
So be prepared for such questions. And what
Mm-hmm.
is the what are the English movies you have seen recently? Who is your favorite director? Something like
Mm-hmm.
that, actor, and all these questions will be asked to you because you have studied English.
All right.
And when did you join our? Acha, now only you joined.
Yeah.
Now,
Today only.
yeah. Now, have you studied something earlier before coming here?
Yeah, I've been reading about banking awareness for 2, 3 days now. So I've recently started reading about banking awareness.
Talk to me for about 5 minutes about banking awareness.
Okay. Shall I talk about the bank and its components?
Yeah, obviously. And
Yeah.
if at all you want to tell about Karnataka Bank, you talk about it fully. No problem.
No, I've not started reading about Karnataka Bank yet. So I recently started reading about bank and all the monetary policies by RBI.
No. Tell me about banking awareness. Or should I put questions?
Yeah, I guess questions would be better.
How many public sector banks are there in our country?
Uh, there are around 100, I guess.
See, whenever you have such a huge doubt,
Mhm.
you should better tell, I don't know.
All right. Okay.
Anybody else can answer me this question? How many public sector banks are there in our country?
11.
12,
12.
sir.
12.
12,
12.
12 star.
11 plus 1 SBI.
Yeah, 12. 12 public sector banks. Good. Very good. Next is Dev.
Yeah.
Please tell me how many private sector banks are there in our country?
The last I recall, it's around 20.
21.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. I will ask simple questions to you. What is banking?
So banking, it's a financial tool for all the individuals who can who can deposit money and use other banking tools such as credit cards, debit cards. They can also ask for loans from the bank so that they can use it for their personal or educational purposes. And banking also provides you insurance so that you can deal with all the unforeseen circumstances.
See, actually, you started telling tool. Instead, banking is an institution which accepts deposits from the public and
Yeah.
makes advances. It also does para banking activities such as
Mhm.
bank assurance, mutual fund canvassing, and wealth management advisory services.
All right.
Nowadays,
Mhm.
banks also provide services such as internet banking, mobile banking, like this. This much will do. That is
All right.
banking. What is money? What is capital market?
Uh, uh, money is a
In
money is
fact,
a medium of exchange for people so that they can buy goods and other services.
hmm, Hmm. What is capital market?
I'm not aware of that, sir. I'm not aware about the technicalities.
See, all of you, those who are online, please note down this website, keydifferences.com. Keydifferences.com. Here, you will have lot of situations where they would have given difference. Here, Mr. Deb, please read this difference between
Money market and capital market.
Financial market consists of money market, capital market. Please read the financial markets.
The financial market is a marketplace where investors deal in financial instruments. It provides a vehicle for allocation of savings to investment. It can be grouped as money market and capital market. Both the markets are very important in financial sector. In the money market, extremely liquid financial instruments are traded. That is, monetary instruments of short-term nature are dealt. On the contrary, the capital market is for long-term securities. It is a market for those securities which have direct or indirect claims to the capital.
Continue.
Capital market plays a crucial role in the development of the economy because it provides channels for mobilization of funds. On the other hand, money market possesses a range of operational features. The article presented to you explains the difference between market and capital market in tabular form.
Please read
Uh,
meaning.
Yeah, the meaning of money market would be a segment of the financial market where lending and borrowing of short-term securities are done. And for capital market, it's a section of financial market where long-term securities are issued and traded.
Continue.
Yes, and the nature of money market is informal, and it's for capital market.
You know why? I don't know why this is obstructing. Close. Correct. Informal. This is formal. Money capital
Yeah,
market is formal. Continue. Financial instruments.
financial instruments of money market are capital bills, commercial papers,
What bills?
certificate of deposit.
Treasury bills.
Yeah, treasury bills, commercial papers, certificate of deposit, trade credit, etc. And as for the other one, it's shares, debentures, bonds, retained earnings, asset securitization, euro issues, etc.
Continue. Institutions.
Yeah. For money market, it's the institutions are central bank, commercial bank, non-financial institutions, bill brokers, acceptance houses, and so on. And for the capital market, it's stock exchange, non-banking institutions like insurance companies, etc. For the money market, the risk factor is very low, and for capital markets, comparatively high. Money market is liquid as compared to the capital market. Purpose of the money market is to fulfill short-term credit needs of the business, whereas for the capital market is to fulfill long-term credit needs of the businesses. Time horizon of the money market is within a year, and as for the capital market, it's more than a year. For money market, the merit is it increases liquidity of funds in the economy, and as for the capital market, it's mobilization of savings in the economy. Return on investment for the money market is very less, and as for the capital markets, is comparatively high.
Good. Thank you. This is a very good question.